Microsoft Excel has joined the list, with the new feature allowing you to darken your entire worksheet, including the menu ribbon and even the cells themselves. This display change comes just a few months after Microsoft added Focus Cell, another visualization aid that lets you track the active row and column more easily, to its popular spreadsheet program. To enable dark mode, click Switch Modes in the View tab on the ribbon. To make sure you are using a supported Office theme, select File, Account, Office Theme. You will see a list of themes. Confirm that either Black or Use System setting is selected. If you select the Use System Settings option, you will also need to make sure that your Windows theme is set to black. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.